back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you vibrant Bohemian patio decor ideas and 10 ultimate tips to transform patio into a vibrant oasis for dazzling outdoor retreat. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore the captivating world of Bohemian patio decor. This design movement celebrates a fusion of cultures, vibrant colors, and an emphasis on comfort and personal expression. If you yearn to create a patio that reflects your free spirit and love for the unconventional, then Bohemian style might be the perfect answer. Bohemian decor, often referred to as boho chic, draws inspiration from a nomadic lifestyle. Imagine vibrant textiles, handcrafted furniture, and a touch of the exotic all woven together to create a welcoming and visually stimulating space. Translated to your patio, this translates to a symphony of colors, patterns, and textures that fosters relaxation and inspires conversation. There are several compelling reasons to embrace Bohemian style for your patio. Here are a few key advantages such as uniqueness. Bohemian decor celebrates individuality. Unlike more rigid styles, it allows you to express your personality through a curated collection of eclectic pieces. Versatility. Bohemian style is highly adaptable. Whether you have a spacious patio or a cozy balcony, you can incorporate key elements to create a welcoming haven. Affordability. Bohemian decor doesn't require a fortune. You can find beautiful, unique pieces at flea markets, vintage stores, or even thrift shops. Comfort and relaxation. Bohemian style prioritizes comfort. Think plush cushions, inviting throws, and ample seating for lounging and entertaining. How do I make my Bohemian patio look good? Here are some key principles to guide you. Embrace color. Don't shy away from bold colors and vibrant patterns. Think jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red. Mix and match florals, paisleys, and geometric patterns for a visually captivating effect. Layer up. Textures are essential in Bohemian style. Layer throws, rugs, and cushions in a variety of textures like macrame, kilim, and woven materials. Light the way. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed candles create a magical ambience after dark. Consider incorporating Moroccan lamps or fairy lights for a touch of whimsy. Add greenery. Plants are a vital part of Bohemian decor. Introduce potted plants, hanging planters, or even a vertical garden to bring life and a touch of nature to your patio. Accessorize with flair. Don't forget the finishing touches. Throw pillows with intricate embroidery, a weatherproof rug with a global pattern, or a unique wind chime can add personality and visual interest. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best Bohemian patio decor ideas. 1. Wicker or rattan furniture. Natural materials like wicker and rattan are quintessential elements of Bohemian style. Opt for a cozy wicker love seat, a hanging egg chair, or a set of bistro chairs with woven seats. 2. Colorful throw pillows. Plump up your seating with an assortment of throw pillows in a variety of colors, patterns, and textures. Don't be afraid to mix and match. 3. Macrame plant hangers. Macrame adds a touch of boho chic and is a perfect way to display your favorite plants. Hang them from the patio ceiling or on a sturdy pergola. 4. Outdoor rugs. Layer an outdoor rug with bold colors or a kilim pattern to define your seating area and add visual interest. 5. Bohemian tableware. Elevate your outdoor dining experience with colorful plates, ceramic mugs, and mismatched glasses. 6. String lights. String lights are a must for creating a magical ambience in the evenings. Drape them overhead, around a pergola, or even across trees for a whimsical touch. 7. Moroccan lanterns. Moroccan lanterns add a touch of exotic flair and cast beautiful shadows at night. Choose from a variety of shapes and sizes to create a unique look. 8. Outdoor throw blankets. Keep cozy on chilly evenings with plush throws in a variety of textures and colors. Choose throws made from weather-resistant materials suitable for outdoor use. 9. Wind chimes with meaningful sounds. Wind chimes are a delightful addition to any patio. Look for chimes with a pleasant sound and consider their symbolism in different cultures. For example, wind chimes with 5 tubes are said to bring good luck in Chinese tradition. 10. DIY touches. Don't be afraid to add a personal touch. Repurpose old furniture, paint terracotta pots in vibrant colors, or create your own macrame plant hangers. Bohemian Patio Decor is all about creating a space that reflects your unique personality and invites relaxation. By incorporating these elements and letting your creativity flow, you can transform your patio into a vibrant oasis that will be the envy of your neighborhood. Head over to the comments section below and share your favorite Bohemian Patio Decor ideas. We'd love to see how you've embraced this vibrant style in your own outdoor space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.